Welcome back my channel DJ Motor Trends. Today 2026 Suzuki SV650 continues the legacy of one of the most beloved middleweight motorcycles in the market, offering a perfect blend of performance, affordability, and everyday usability. This latest iteration doesn't drastically change the core of what made the SV650 a favorite among riders, but it does bring a few refinements that make it even more appealing to a wide range of motorcyclists, from beginners to seasoned enthusiasts. At the heart of the 2026 SV650 is the familiar 645cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, which has long been praised for its smooth delivery and engaging character. This engine produces a responsive 75 horsepower and 47 pound-feet of torque, making it ideal for both city commutes and spirited weekend rides. The power delivery remains linear and predictable, which is a major reason why the SV650 continues to be a top recommendation for new riders, while still offering enough thrill for more experienced ones. Suzuki has fine-tuned the fuel injection system to improve throttle response and emissions, ensuring the bike meets the latest Euro 6 standards without sacrificing performance. The chassis remains lightweight and agile, thanks to the trellis-style steel frame that helps keep the bike's wet weight around 437 pounds. This makes the SV650 incredibly nimble in urban environments and confidence-inspiring in corners. The 2026 model also sees subtle updates to the suspension, with revised damping in the front telescopic forks and an improved rear monoshock, contributing to a smoother ride over a variety of surfaces. In terms of design, the SV650 keeps its minimalist and functional styling, which has become part of its identity. However, Suzuki has introduced new color schemes and sharper graphics to give it a fresh appeal. The bike also gets full LED lighting this year, bringing it up to speed with modern standards and improving visibility. The analog-digital combo instrument cluster returns, offering clear and concise readouts including gear position, fuel economy, and range. Riders will appreciate the ergonomics of the SV650, which remain comfortable for daily use. The seat height is still a manageable 785 mm, making it accessible to a broad range of riders. The handlebars are slightly revised for better leverage and less strain during longer rides. ABS is standard, as expected, and Suzuki continues to offer its low RPM assist and easy start system, which make the SV650 especially user-friendly for those still learning the ropes. While the 2026 SV650 doesn't break any new ground, it doesn't have to. Its enduring popularity lies in its simplicity, reliability, and the joy it brings to everyday riding. For the price point, it continues to be one of the best value propositions in the middleweight category. Whether you're a new rider looking for a dependable first bike or a veteran motorcyclist seeking a no-nonsense daily machine, the 2026 Suzuki SV650 remains a compelling choice with just the right mix of heritage and modernity.